In this video, we will show you how to replace your back glass lift support on the Chevy Trailblazer. This will be mounted directly to your rear liftgate. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is open up the lift glass. If you find that it doesn't stay up on its own, go ahead and prop it up with something. Otherwise, you can continue on by holding it by hand if needed. We'll use a small pick. You'll find on each end of this lift arm, it has a little clip that you need to get underneath and gently start pulling it out a little bit. You don't have to fully remove it, just remove it enough that you can pull this off of the little end. We'll hold that glass up, make our way up to the top and do the exact same thing. We're using the pick, we're gonna go right inside the little slot, pull out on that clip just enough that we can slide this out of place. Once you have that out of place, continue holding up that liftgate glass. We want to clean each one of these little ball tips here. You have one up on the liftgate glass and then one down on the liftgate as well. Just go ahead and give them a quick wipe, an inspection, and we'll prepare for our installation. To install the brand new lift arm, just go ahead and take that and put it in place. Once you have it up against that ball, just go ahead and squeeze it in. Listen for a click and give it a tug, making sure that it is secured. We'll continue on to the bottom. You know what to do. Align it and press it into position. Once you've done so, go ahead and give it a little tug to make sure it is secure. At this point, you can release the glass. It should hold it up for you. The process for one side lift arm is the exact same thing as the other side of the vehicle. Once you've completed both, go ahead and close that lift glass. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.